Today I'm making my chocolate and hazelnut oatmeal. Oats are rich in magnesium and antioxidants, and as such are great for lowering your blood pressure. All the other elements that go into this breakfast are also rich in potassium, magnesium and antioxidants. And while it looks very indulgent, it is really a great blood pressure lowering meal. Also, to complete this dash breakfast, you have bananas, dark chocolate and hazelnuts. This is then garnished with chopped hazelnuts and dried coconut flakes. To prepare this breakfast, add the oat milk and the oats to a pot on medium heat, followed by the cacao powder. Bring this to a gentle boil, then allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes. Take the pot off the heat and stir in the vanilla. Then divide the oatmeal between the bowls and top up with hazelnut butter, yogurt, bananas, roasted hazelnuts, dark chocolate shavings, and dried coconut flakes. If you wanted to see other Dash Diet recipes on this channel, click on the screen that is coming up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.